Hello?
Hi mate, yeah, I'll have to bail out when fucking turns out,
Oh yeah. No bad. Morning guys, up early, just made myself a nice mocha, picking up Christian in a bit, and we're on our way to Wales to do a little adventure on the east side of Snowdon. Speak to you in a minute. Oh, that's a good coffee. Morning folks, Tuesday the 11th of November. On my way to pick up Christian. We're on our way to Wales for a camp just on the east side of Snowdonia. Hopefully it shouldn't be as wild and adventurous as last time on Bleak Low, if you've seen that clip. But yeah, all packed. Had my brew, had a nice sleep. No, I didn't have a nice sleep at all. So let's just see where we're heading. Hey guys, so I've just come to get Christian again. We're pretty much packed, setting off in a few minutes to grab some food and bits before we head across to the east side of Snowdon, in Wales obviously. Getting ready for another little adventure. We'll speak to you shortly. Hey mate, are you some sort of Sherpa? Getting that feeling of deja vu again. Hey. Morning folks, so here we are again, another episode of Cooper versus Sunday. We're on our way out on another camp after that crazy last adventure. You've met Chris. Hello, morning Cristiano.
Good morning. How are you doing?
Yeah, we're just gonna go and grab some food and then we're on our way up towards the Carnedd Llewelyn, if I'm pronouncing it right, mountain side of Snowdonia, where we're going to have a lovely walk and check out the lakes. See you shortly. Morning, Corinne.
Good morning.
Yeah, we're going on a camp to a mountain in Snowdonia called Carnedd Llewelyn.
Chicken, egg, and chickpea curry.
Lovely. So that's going to be fun.
Very good. Enjoy, guys.
We'll do our best. So we just got our bits in Aldi Staley Bridge and we're setting off. Time on Google Maps says hour and 50. So hopefully we'll have a nice smooth fast drive because it's a 2-hour walk after that and it's getting dark around 4:30, 5.
2 what?
So let's roll! I forgot the bread. It's just had to run in to Lidl to get some muffins. They'll be on our way again. Hello, so we've just parked up. We finally left the car because it's been raining and it's been blowing. We've just started the little trek. Estimated time 2 hours up to the reservoirs, lakes and the Bothy. Chris is all packed up too, he's ready to go.
What did you call me?
Chris.
Oh, sorry.
And we have our OS maps just in case of an emergency. But this is quite a tame walk apparently. So the rain stopped, it's blowy, it's very damp, but I'm so pleased to be here. I watched a clip on this guy's YouTube a few days ago and I was like, I'm going there. And here we are, finally, a 2-hour drive from Manchester. Stopped off for a coffee in an American style diner, which was pretty cool. Saw some wild horses just then, you'll probably see on the clip. And we just met some nice guys in a camper van who said they'll join us up at the Bothy in a few hours. So, altogether, quite a nice start. And we're going up there. And then up there. Here he is, the legend that is Super Cooper. Doing really well. I'll speak to you in a minute, guys. Oh, bit blowy. Oh, you come through, I've got the gate. Hey folks, there's been a break in the rain and the wind, and then I'll get across there and it'll be caning it down again and blow me off the path. Chris is 100 metres behind me. We've probably done like a 6 of the walk, and the estimated time I said from the car to the Bothy is about 2 hours, but I feel it's going to be free now. Chris! Come on! I can't cope. Tell you what, this wind is very, very strong. It's a good job it's not dark. Let's move on. Okay. Yeah, you okay, bro? You're doing really well. It's a strong wind, guys. Hey? Yeah, that's the Bothy, pal! Come on! Let's go and get warm and naked. Maybe warm. Don't slip on these steps. Hey guys. That wind, mate, blew us everywhere.
You're right.
Amazing. Yeah.
You okay?
Sorry?
You okay?
Yeah. I mean, Chris has got bad legs, so yeah, we've been out there forever.
Have a seat by the fire. 17:44.
5:45, yeah? So it's 5:45. We made it here at last. It was a bit of a hard slog with lots of rain and wind. And we're sharing tonight with 6 other guys. Well, there's five guests and Christian and I. So we just made a brew. We're gonna get warm. There's a stove on, which is really nice, and we'll make some tea in a bit. Chat to you later, guys. It's good to be in a dry, warm place. Cheers. We made it.
Oh, the friggy hell did we do that?
My name is Mud again because Chris has been pushed to his limit again. But we're in a nice place with some other nice guests. Chat to you in a minute. Hey folks, I've just come to sit down in the bedroom part of the Bothy, and I'll show you what I have brought with me for food and drink. We have a couple of cans of lager. I've got potatoes to add to stewed steak, some peas, and carrots from 5 a day. And I'm going to do a nice beef stew tonight, and in the morning we have bacon, eggs, sausages, and Chris should have some bread in his backpack unless we left it in the car. It might be left in the car, but I don't think we're going to starve tonight. A couple of beers, just had a nice brew. Our gear is hanging up, drying out, and these guys that we've met are absolutely sound. There's 7 of us in here tonight, but there's plenty of room. I'll bring you back when I'm making my food in a bit.
Ow!
I know.
Do you know where I left me the other stuff? Do you know where I left the other gear?
What gear?
I had some slippers, like you know, like them ones that you got, and
Oh, it's wet shoes.
them wet shoes. Like the coffee quite a lot as well. You're getting overflew.
Yeah.
That was lovely. You know what I mean? It would have definitely been two, wouldn't you? He's a good, isn't he?
I might say something, but it's like I'm pushing it by doing speed.
What's that?
I want to say something, but it's like pushing it because it's about to do speed. Have to now. So that can be sharp because it's great for the toenails.
Called Graham. Oh, you. This is crazy. Oh, you can zoom. Ow!
That looks amazing, guys.
What are you doing? Don't pop it up 300 bodies. Hi. Take a tikka masala. Jelly. Krishna Kapoor.
That is.
Fucking people going up, snowing all night, watching the head torches.
Yeah, nice. It is like a 24-hour thing, isn't it?
Yeah,
People
it is,
go up
yeah.
at all times.
Yeah,
Come down
it's
all
always
times.
busy, isn't it?
Oh yes. Crazy.
I put some music across it. It'll look cool. Oi, oi. You been for a trek?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Here they are.
Ready when you
Alright.
are.
See you later, fellas.
See you later, mate.
Have a good night.
Have a
Good.
safe night. Have a warm night in Chelsea. Thank you very much.
Have a good camp, guys. Hardcore crew.
Oh shit.
Catch you on the flip side.
See you mañana.
Dudes, how fucking cool
Peace.
is that? Oh, you can't hold me.
Morning folks, apparently it's 10 to 8. Not had a terrible sleep. A lot of our kit dried out near the fire, but accommodation is quite good. The weather outside is quite bad. I'm gonna get up in half an hour and make some breakfast. Speak to you in a bit. So as you might have seen, we spent the night in the Bothy with 5 guys who work at Go Outdoors in Bangor, and it was a good job as well because they brought some wood and we were damp and cold, and it was lovely and warm once the stove was fired up. So that was a massive stroke of luck, I'm telling you. Otherwise we would have been cold and damp all night. You live and learn. Just waiting for Chris to get his bag on. Been chatting to a guy called Dave who's travelling up and down the land. He is here. Hi Dave.
Hi there.
And he also stayed here last night too. So there was what, 8 of us in here, which was very nice and friendly community. But we'll be heading back to go up there in 5 minutes. Just waiting for Chris. Speak to you in a minute. So, coming up a shortcut to the main path, which you could either say it's as long as it's broad, if we've gone the official route or not, but it's steep, but we'll join the main path in 5, and then it's downhill all the way, more or less. I'm just waiting for Chris, he's just behind me a few minutes. I cannot wait to get back to the car, let me tell you that. Let's get back to the car. Hey guys, so the shortcut that we just made, we found the path. We made it to the official path that takes you around to the reservoirs, the lakes and the Bothy. Bothy. Just waiting for Chris and then we'll get back down to the car. There's a light mist of rain, which is kind of refreshing right now. Unlike last night when it was lashing sideways. Hello again. We have to stop meeting like this. See, Chris has pegged up now. He's chirping now. He's on a flat descent. I'm a bit happier as well, actually. See you in a minute. Hello, beautiful.
Oh, looky at me.
Hello, gorgeous.
I bet you taste nice on the bottom. Where you stuff?
Hello, beautiful.
I don't really want to go behind it.
Mate, get a long berth.
Don't go behind the fucker.
Hello, beautiful. Hello. Hello, my friend.
Are you really aware of you?
See you later, bro.
Are you going to the boat, Bobby?
Yeah,
Bobby?
Yeah, we go past the
Yeah,
bottom.
going for a brew,
so,
yeah.
So I think, if I'm right, you go slightly up and then you come down the path.
Yeah, yeah.
And we've done it all as usual, wrong.
Well, you've done it.
the harder way, but at least we cut out all the really beautiful stuff. You know, all the lakes and stuff, the bits of lakes, and we didn't get a chance to appreciate it. Really.
Well, it was the weather though. It was very poor. You know.
What's wrong with it?
What? You okay, mate?
Someone's gonna get f***ed when I get up. I'm really kidding. I'm negotiate.
Okay. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Spoiled my clip.
It's a good feeling when the car's in sight. 3 minutes away, get changed into some dry socks, warm the engine up and think about a cafe in the town or just head back to Tameside. Here comes Chris.